Hi friends, it's me here with a new shuffle dance tutorial. I hope everybody is doing great and having an amazing weekend. I got requested actually in my YouTube tutorials to do this tutorial to this little transition move that I do in my dancing. So if you are curious about some move that I haven't posted a tutorial to, please leave me the comment down below and I'll do my best to do a tutorial just for you. So let's get right into it and I'll show you what I got. Okay friends, it is the move that goes like this. This little palm hop chick that I do. So I dance, I do a running man or I do a crisscross, and then I'm like, and you know, it allows you to travel alongside the dance floor, and it is this real cool like jump, hop. I really like it. So basically what you're doing, you're stepping in front of yourself. So if you're moving towards the right, you can do it both directions, but I always just do it to the right because I'm a right-handed person. So I'm going to the right hand, so I'm stepping my left leg in front of me. So it's a step, you kick out the right leg. So I'm going to the right, so I kick out the right leg. So it's step, kick, and you kick it so high that you actually jump. So you step, kick, and jump, and then boom, both feet come together. The one that was in the air comes in front. So it is step and jump. It's actually very easy. It's like probably it's gonna be a 1 minute tutorial. So let's look from the back. I'm going towards my right. So I step, kick, and come down. So I step, kick, and I come down like this. The right one is in front. So if you do to the left, you go step, kick, and boom. So after this, I mostly always go into the crisscross. It's easy because your position is like this already, and you're just hop, boom, and this is how I do it. So you can actually go into this from any kind of move that you're doing. If it's a running man, boom, or if it was a crisscross and you're like, phew. So it is really like, what I like from here is that you how to say, you are probably like drawing, you know. I think dancing is like drawing with your body in space. So you listen to the music, you put it through yourself, and you express the music how you feel with your body in the space. So it's basically like drawing with the paints on the canvas, but you're drawing with your body in space around you. Beautiful, huh? I love it. I'm a poet, low-key poet. So it's like, you know, I like it because, you know, it's not just like, you know, art and all expressions there like this. So I like this move because it's also like this, and you can use your arms and be, you know, all sorts of, and you can jump not to the side, you can go and actually, oh, this is cool. You see, we invent new moves as we go. You can step and you can go jump in front of you and change the legs. And then you can go boom, jump, and then you can actually go the other side as well. You go one, boom, boom. You see, it's like a double thing going on. Okay, but let's step back. Let's take it easy. And for those who didn't understand yet, I think it's very simple, kind of, you know. So let's see from a running man. We would do 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of like that. Step, kick. So it's palm, and you actually, you know, like you have to use your inner muscles from your legs when you go and jump, and you squeeze them so they come together like this, but in the air, which is cool. I love it. So the running man, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. one more time, I'm going to show you from the back. We would do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, or whatever. I'm just showing you a combination that I do most often, so you can rewind and rewatch it. So basically you do a step on the count on 1, and not on, you're doing it on 1, so down, step and step, 1 and 2. It's like 3 counts, all it is. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Something like that. Okay, I hope this was clear. It's just 3 counts, but it's a nice variation, like a filler to throw in between your like moves, the moves you like, or like something static, you know, that you do to one side, and then you just need this transition move to switch your position, which works perfectly, creates more space, creates more movement. We all need to collect transitions moves, like moving, like power moves like that like just, you know, I think a power move in shuffle dancing is Running Man for sure, because that's the move you can really see your power. You know why? You see some people that they do shuffle Running Man, and you know, it doesn't look magical. It has to look magical. It has to look like you're gliding, like you're gliding on the floor. To me, I think the most mesmerizing moment is when it looks like the weight of your body, I don't know where it is, like you're moving like you're this octopus that stands on the floor with in between your legs, and it doesn't matter. You know how people are like, they command their body. It's like they're holding it, and it's just like they are so mobile that they can like be at any spot in any moment. So I think that's power. All right, enough about this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If there is another move, let me know in the comments below. If you see in my dancing some move that you like, let me know. And the next tutorial is gonna be just for you. Have a beautiful day, people. I love you all. Love!